Let's talk about how fix the errors in BlackOps. Texture not loading, fix in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
All right, first things. First, we need to ensure your game files are in pristine condition. Corrupted or missing files are a super common culprit for texture errors like the error ones. Head over to your game launcher, whether it's Battle.net or Steam, and initiate a scan and repair or verify integrity of game files process. This simple step can often miraculously fix those stubborn loading issues by replacing any broken data. Next up, let's talk about your graphics. Drivers outdated. Drivers are like old maps trying to navigate a new city. They just don't know where to go. Ensure your NVIDIA, them Oriental drivers are fully updated to the latest version directly from their official websites. Newer drivers bring crucial optimizations and bug fixes that can directly address texture loading problems and improve overall game performance. If your files and drivers are all good, it might be time to dive into your in-game graphics settings. Sometimes your system is trying to push more detail than it can comfortably handle, leading to texture failures. Try lowering your texture quality or texture resolution settings and experiment with reducing other resource-intensive options like shadow quality or anti-aliasing. Finding the sweet spot can significantly alleviate the strain on your GUI and prevent dev error from rearing its ugly head. Finally, a common fix specifically for Call of Duty titles is rebuilding your shader cache. Shaders are critical for how textures are rendered, and they can sometimes get corrupted or desynchronized. In BlackOps, to look for an option in your graphics settings to restart shaders or rebuild shader per caching. Once you initiate this, let the game complete the process entirely, even if it takes a moment, and you might just find your textures loading perfectly again.